How to glow up this fall. 10 tips for everyone. Number 1. Grow out your hair. This season, embrace change by growing out your hair. Experiment with different styles to find one that suits your face shape and personality. Longer hair can give you that effortlessly cool vibe. Number 2. Tobacco fragrance. Next up, let's talk scent. A tobacco-based fragrance is like adding a layer of charm to your autumn wardrobe. It's the kind of scent that draws people in, perfect for those cozy fall evenings. There are some fantastic options like Dolce & Gabbana's the one for a more mainstream choice, or Parfums de Marly Herod for something niche. Number 3. Black pants. Start your style transformation with a killer pair of black pants. They're your secret weapon, versatile enough for any event, while adding a touch of modern sophistication. Black goes with everything, so just make sure you get the fit right. Number 4. A good jacket. Stay warm and look sharp with a quality jacket. Whether you go for a classic suede jacket or a tailored wool coat, this essential piece not only shields you from the cold, but also makes a style statement. My key advice: choose something minimalist without logos or prints. Number 5. Jeans. Don't forget about jeans, your go-to for a casual yet classic look. They're comfortable, versatile, and perfect for the crisp fall weather. Stick to black or dark blue. Number 6. Leather boots. When it comes to footwear, leather boots are a must. They add a touch of rugged elegance to your outfit, helping you stand out in the autumn crowd. If you're on the slimmer side, opt for Chelsea boots. If you're bulkier, try high lace-up boots. Either way, a man in good leather boots looks 100 times better. Number 7. Add accessories. It's all in the details. Elevate your style with a thin bracelet, a leather belt, or maybe a stylish hat. These little touches reflect your personality and can make a big impact on your overall look. Number 8. Keep clothes fresh. Maintain your wardrobe with care. Regularly wash and store your clothes properly to keep them looking and smelling fresh. After all, nothing boosts your confidence like wearing clean, well-maintained outfits. Number 9. Walk more. Take advantage of the beautiful fall scenery by walking more. It's not just about staying active. It's also a chance to clear your mind and appreciate the changing seasons. Fall is the perfect time for a stroll. Number 10. Read books. Finally, don't forget about personal growth. Reading is like feeding your mind and soul. It not only makes you smarter, but also gives you interesting topics to discuss with others. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you.